Hello, my name is Jillian Domes and I'm a technology specialist here at Lexus of Edmonton. I hope you find this how-to useful with your Lexus. Have a great day.
Your 2021 Lexus is equipped with heated windshield wipers. Essentially, there's a panel that runs underneath the wipers that will heat up to melt any snow or any ice. The heat then transfers onto the wipers onto the windshield. These are awesome in the winter. If your car is super frosted or if you end up driving through a snowstorm, they stay on for 15 minutes and then they automatically shut off. So if we go into menu and into climate, you're going to swipe to the far left for options and you'll see them in this first column in the bottom row. You do have to come in and turn them on whenever you want to use them. And just remember that they only stay on for 15 minutes and automatically shut off. So you will need to turn them on again if you want them to continue. In some models, this button will be located to the left of the steering wheel.
If you found this video useful, please click the links below for our other how-to videos. And for more content, you can like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.